In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a spreadsheet into Airtable. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning. So even if you're brand new to Airtable or you're moving over from another tool like Excel or Google Sheets, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, start on your Airtable home screen. This is the dashboard where you see all your workspaces and bases. Take a moment to choose the workspace where you actually want this new data to live. Picking the right workspace up front helps keep everything organized, especially if you're collaborating with the team or managing multiple projects. Once you're inside the correct workspace, look for the option to add something new. Depending on your layout, this might appear as a plus add or import button, or you might see a plus create new base option. Both will take you in the right direction. Go ahead and click that to start the import process instead of building a base from scratch. Next, Airtable will ask you where your data is coming from. Here you can choose your source. If your data is in an Excel file, pick Microsoft Excel. If it's been exported as a CSV file, choose CSV. You can also connect directly to cloud sources like Google Sheets, and in some setups, you might see options for services like Dropbox or OneDrive. Select the option that matches where your spreadsheet currently lives. After selecting the source, it's time to upload your file. You can either click to browse your computer and find the file, or simply drag and drop it into the upload area if that's more convenient. Wait for Airtable to process the file. This usually only takes a moment, but larger files may take slightly longer. Now you'll see the import configuration screen, and this is where the important decisions happen. First, choose the destination. You can create a brand new table from this data, which is great if you're starting fresh, or you can import into an existing table if you're adding or updating information in a structure you already use. Next, look at the header row settings. If the first row of your spreadsheet contains column names, make sure the option to use the first row as headers is turned on. This tells Airtable to treat that row as field names instead of regular data. Then review the field types that Airtable suggests for each column, such as text, number, or email. It's worth spending a moment here to adjust anything that doesn't look right, because correct field types make sorting, filtering, and linking much easier later. You can also choose which columns to bring in. If there are columns you don't need, simply toggle them off so they're not imported and don't clutter your base. Once everything looks good, click the Import button to finalize. Airtable will create or update the table based on your selections, and your spreadsheet data will now be available directly inside Airtable, ready for you to filter, sort, and build views on top of.